It's normally a car park where you park the cars. Car park where you park the cars. And look, the water came up on the parking lot completely. So this is where the lake would normally stop, right? Where the grasses are. About there, yeah. And this is about 3 rows of, or 4 rows. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of parking. And look at it now. Yeah, this is normally the entrance of the restaurant, and we're actually walking on a makeshift bridge. Huh? Okay. You can't even see the, sorry, you can't see the road marks anymore. Usually you see road mark here? Yeah. All is blocked, gesperrt. That's the main road. This is the main road. This is meant to be the main road. That's the main road. Looks a bit better now. Mud and water. And so there's nothing driving in this town anymore. It's blocked off. I'll give you another view, an aerial view soon. Alright, so this is the parking lot that I showed you when we were on that bridge. See parking lot? So people then come with them boat on the parking lot too farther. You can see the difference in it. You see the dirty area, the parking lot, and then there's a normal lake. I'll show you from the other side. So this is normally a lawn and the restaurant, and now the lawn is a mini lake. Oh. Alright, so around here looks, this is how it should be, normal, but it's high. You see the makeshift bridge here? It's very high because the water, that wall here under the makeshift bridge, the water is usually way lower than the wall, but now it's all covered. It's on the land basically, but people are still enjoying it. It's still a beautiful day, I think, and this is our backyard. It's wet. Still a beautiful day, very beautiful day.